welcome back with Twentse 3D experience. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna unbox the Ferret 3D scanner from creality. I have it here in the box. We're gonna look at what's in the box is, and then we're gonna try it out inside and also this week outside. Dus we're gonna look now what's in this box. Let's see. You can see the box. Now we're going to put it open. What we have here: user's manual, always nice. The 3D scanner, the Ferret from creality. Seems really nice. You can put it on the mobile and you can put it on the PC. We're gonna try it on the mobile, and later this week we're gonna try it also outside. The stand with power supply in it. It's a really decent design. The telephone holder, also good quality. Also, it's from steel and a little bit plastic, but the scanner is really nice finish. It's really nice. So, what do we have here in the box? Some gel, quality card, also important. Cables, fit to USB and camera. You can see that later. Other big cable. Oh, you see, it stays on it. Cable for the computer and the cable rechargeable hand and smartphone. That is okay. I see no USB, dus I think we must download the program from the creality side. Dus we're gonna do that, and we're gonna make all things together. So we have built it off. It was easy. Manual instruction.